summer. I'm actually going to be doing some live tufting today, man. We are at a shoot expo. Got lots of people here, man. Got the rugs out. So I just want to explain a couple things. I had a lot of people hit me up asking me, you know, how do you get your rugs out there? How do you get get some clientele? This is one thing you can do. You get to some Comic-Cons, you get to some festivals, you get to some craft fairs, and then basically you can take some of your creations there, and then you can do some live tufting there, so people see that all your creations are handmade. You know, you didn't buy them from China. You know, nothing wrong with buying and reselling, but just showing them that you created these. You know, so they can know that your value. That's why you do your price the way you do your price. So for those who just joined, I just seen somebody join, man. We are at the Fake Expo, man, here in Omaha, Nebraska, man. Let me turn this thing around. We are selling our rugs here right now. This is one way that you can make money, or way you can sell your rugs, way you can get customers. So we got our rugs out here. Got a bunch of creations that we did. Got the CEO back there, and we're doing some live tufting, you know. So walk around so I can show you real quick. Got the shoes and everything going on right now. I'm gonna get back over there and do some more live tufting, but I just want you to show you what type of expo this is, man. You can get in some of those so you can sell. So like I said, make sure you get us some. You can even do farmers markets. If you do farmers market, anything that has customers there, you know, especially like adults, got kids love things like that. You know, your rugs you can go in kids' room, you can go in people's walk-in closets, so you want to get to the people, you know. And I found one of the rugs that we created right here. There we go. How's it going, man? Yeah, you got one of them Tugs Rugs. Oh yeah, showed you. Yeah. Yeah, so like I said, we're just walking around, man. He was one of our customers that hit us up on social media to buy a rug for his company. Guess what? He got it out, you know, to advertise his company at shows and expos and things like that. So we'll get back to some live tufting. Oh, we did a rug for them too. Alright, let me get to my spot, man, so we get some live tufting going. I got some paws, hands that I'm doing right now. Got all kinds of stuff here, y'all. Alright, people. Back at it, we got a raffle going. That's where you can get a raffle going, you know, to get people engaged. We're raffling off this big rug here at the bottom down here, which we'll move this around so that rug can be seen for the raffle.
Somebody just did that.
Well, this one was right here, so people were walking over, so they pushed it back, so people won't be walking on it. Yeah, probably just keep that folded, yeah. Alright, look at that, y'all. All kind of stuff. We got TikTok going on. We got the bait. And then we raffling off this big old rug right here. It's like a 4-foot rug right here that we raffling off. $2 a pop, guys. Yeah. But let me get some live tufting going.
Y'all look scared. It's okay. Somebody gonna play me in the Street Fighter, so these arcade cabinets don't go to waste. I'm back here, I'm waiting.
Alright, so mom's over there getting her raffle on. People buying raffles. But yeah, we got the rugs out here. Got everything going at the Shoe Expo, man. Oh yeah, out here. All kinds of stuff, man. This is one way, man, you can get out there and make this money, man. You gotta get to Expo, you gotta get to Comic Cons, you gotta get to festivals, you gotta get to craft shows. You're trying to get your rugs out there, man, to make this money, man. There's a lot of money out there. You gotta get to the customers. Not everybody on social media, man. Everybody can't find your post, so you gotta get out there, man. That's how you get your clientele, that's how you get your followers up. You gotta get to them, you gotta show them what you want to do on their lives, like I did the other day. Show your rugs, man. Get some more customers. Just finish this little calls in up. That's all I want to do. I'm trying to set it in front so the people can see, you know, how this thing is made, man. I'll do both of them now, man. And that's it, that's something. Find a piece in the middle. I like to find one like a piece in the middle. Pull that on out. Alright, we got live right there. Pull this down a little bit.
So this one right here is the one down here. They start at 65. I got some down here right now as well. She's in love with the wine.
Pictures, y'all. Finish this up for y'all, man. Oh, yours, the one that you want to go on? Which one was it? The mocha? Oh, the orange one? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, well, you better get it now before it's gone. Yeah. Turn this thing around so we can see.
Yeah, and then I'm size too.
Here we go, y'all. Look at that thing. Sure, yeah. Out here, y'all. Out here, y'all. Look at that. Right at the Shoe Expo, man. Way to make money, people. Get your shoes out there, get your rugs out there, I mean. To rug creation, make sure you get to expos, get to craft fairs, Comic-Cons, all that. Where people will attract people. Show them your creations. Make the money. There we go. I just wanted to stop by, man, and let y'all see a little bit of Tufting. I'll be doing more lives, hopefully I get more views on, because I'm trying to do some giveaways, you know. The rug that I create, I'm trying to give that away, so I need y'all to make sure y'all click that bell so y'all get the notifications. So y'all can know when we go live. So, hey. Yeah, so we got one viewer here, so we are at an expo. I was about to get rid of the over here. So we are at an expo, man, and showing y'all how to get y'all rugs out there if you rug creators, you know, do something, do anything. So, yeah, we are at a shoe expo right now, man. I just created this one live right here to show the people that all the rugs are handmade, so I said one more time, make sure you get to Shoe Expo, make sure you get to Comic-Cons, make sure you get to farmers markets, craft shows, all that, so you can gain your customers, man. So I'm gonna see y'all in the next vlog, man.